Pay her bills and buy designer, but I don't love her.
What you need, little mama?
She just play a part when it's time to smuggle.
Hey, you ready?
I pull up, pick up that bag and burn rubber. I got a sweet tooth, but I stay away from suckers.
For real though.
Nobu and Malibu was my last supper.
We eating good.
I fucked her in rush hour traffic, Chris Tucker. Everybody screaming, gang, gang, gang. The folks come and get you, you gon' tell on the whole gang.
Gang.
She said, can she fuck me with my diamond chain? If I ain't in the bank, then I'm on the plane.
Hey.
About to go get some money or go spend some money. They stopped me in the airport, had too many binges on me. They don't want you to live, they don't want you to ball. Them pussy smile in your face, yeah. Then they pray for you to fall. Hey, young nigga, stay focused. But I really wanna crash. Think about where you at, then think about your past. Yeah, I really came from shit, but I won't change for shit. My bitch say I'm stuck in my ways. My wrist say I've been getting paid. 100 shots, 100 shots. Me and my niggas pull up in 100 drops. My role model used to get 100 blocks. Street niggas in a tuxedo, we the mob. She looked at my watch too long, now she see stars. I got so high last night, I did a show on Mars. Yo, bitch ate my dick, I caught her on them bars. My pinky ring, extra large. Phones all in the garage. Remember my first Menard? Yeah, Toy and Britney. I'm shopping for diamonds at Tiffany's. Now I don't got no sympathy. She blew my whistle like a referee. Broke black nigga remember me until I found out that recipe. Started getting about 10 a week. Finger on the trigger when I sleep. Yeah, nigga, I'd rather you than me. Backseat smoking good weed. 100 shots. 100 shots. How the fuck you miss a whole 100 shots? You not welcome, man.
So, since we haven't posted videos in a long time, this nigga wants to sell all his cars. Doing a friend's Evo. Car is very clean. Very, very, very clean. Did a refresh on the engine. Him and his pops. Putting the motor back in. Got a new turbo. Ooh. Since he sold the EK, got a nice bubble. Fresh engine bay, everything new. It's gonna be turbo coming up soon. And then the Integra. You guys might have seen the video of what happened to the Integra. Cracked the sleeve. The reason it cracked the sleeve is because it was a Florida car. Drove it, what, like 6-8 months later? Took it to the fun runs, cracked the sleeve. New motor's gonna come back into it. It's a B-Series turbo. And then we got a 4-door K-Series turbo. A lot of engines, transmissions, a lot of stuff we're working on. With this Evo, it's gonna be done soon.
Yo, que no sabe eso.